Sharon, you made it. You made it to Cozumel, Mexico. Are you excited?
I did.
What's on the agenda today?
Paradise Beach.
Paradise Beach, here we come. We are going to walk through the port. We're going to exit the port and get to the taxi area. We will see if we can get a taxi for 6 of us. We're going there with Matt and Gina today. All right, so we're going to try to get to Paradise Beach as quick as we can to get our best choice of seats. You know, because once you get there, you want to settle in. And I know there's a lot of people out there that are going to be on the big vlogger cruise in January. And you may want to check out this video because you're going to get a first-hand look at Paradise Beach Club. Alright, so we just came out of the duty-free shop. We're making a quick left to bypass some of the traffic here in the area, and then we're going to go a few shops down and make a right, and that should get us to the exit of the port where all the taxis are. That's the same place you'll go if you're just going out of the port for a day, or maybe meeting a third-party excursion somewhere or something like that. In a couple hours, these places will be packed with wild and crazy cruisers, partying like rock stars. Hello. Hola. Alright, so when you get to the taxi stand, they have a very clear sign that'll tell you where you need to go, all your prices, everything is preset. Super, super easy. And you can find your spot right there. Alright, so we grabbed a taxi. So there's 6 of us, and we said, hey, can we get a car for 6? But they're very busy. They don't have a lot of the bigger vehicles right now. So we split into 2 taxis. I think it's a total of 30 bucks for all of us. And I got myself, I got Callie, I got Matthew back here. Sharon's in the other taxi. She was very nervous about splitting up from her little babies, but it'll be okay. And Carolina is here, taking good care of us.
Nice to meet you.
She's so nice and sweet, and it's such an easy drive. It's maybe going to be 10-12 minutes, and you can feel very safe here. And don't worry about getting back, because there are so many taxis on this island that I've never seen so many. It's like New York City. That's how many taxis there are. So we're going to have a great time at Paradise Beach, and we'll check back with you. We're going to get there, go in, show our reservations, pay what we owe, and head right to our favorite spot by the pool. And here we are, we made it. That was like, what, 10 minutes?
Yes.
Mucho rápido. Yes. And it's gorgeous here. The palm trees, the green. Oh, yes. But just make sure you have a reservation when you come. You don't want to get turned away at the door. Thank you for the fast and safe ride.
You're welcome, sorry, it's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
We will. Paradise Beach Club. We just love this place. We've got the nice big pool. Beautiful area. We got some prime time seats right here. If you've been on a group cruise before, you may have seen us sitting here. We love it because we are right here and our pool will be right here. Out there you've got the full beach. There's another bar out there, a taco stand, plenty of chairs, cabanas if you want them. And here's the crew.
Well, we just arrived at Paradise Beach, and as usual, it is beautiful here. It's really not that crowded yet. We did get here early. We got off the ship about 8:30. Our ship arrived about 8. There's several other ships in port, so we'll see how crowded this place gets later. But I'm just glad that we got some great seats right up front and right by the pool. So we are happy campers for the day. We do have a lot of other videos out about Paradise Beach, but I'm going to take you just on a quick little glimpse of it today. You know, there's really not too many updates from the last time we've been here, I don't think. Oh, but I did notice one, and that is on the menu. So I'm going to post the menu right here, and there are a couple new options on there I noticed. Now keep in mind the prices are the pricing on there is for the a la carte. If you go the a la carte version, whereas all-inclusive, all of those are included. But the alcohol is a little different. The all-included price that you pay between maybe $59, $65-ish or so, depending on what promotion you booked with, that includes all of your food and drinks, but it doesn't include premium alcohol. They do have a upcharge now for the premium alcohol, so I'm going to put a list up here of the premium alcohol, and it is an extra $30 upcharge if you want to go with the premium alcohol. So there you go. I think that's something kind of new. I just don't remember ever having that before, and we've ordered premium alcohol and never had to pay more before. But anyways, I'm going to flip this camera around and show you the beach area here. There's the pool right over there. Cute little swing. There's some beds on the beach and also some by the pool that you can reserve. And see what I mean? It is not crowded yet. There's plenty of empty chairs today if you get here early. There's a bar over there on the beach. And a cute little taco truck here. They have some great tacos and burrito options on the menu. Let's walk down here and see what we can find. So there's another bar down here. They have a little shop with some things for sale. And over here, if you want to rent snorkeling equipment, they have that as well. They do have the inflatables out there for all the kiddos or adults, and that is an extra charge as well. Walk down here and you can see over there, there's a little tent area where they do massages, tattoos, henna tattoos, and hair braiding. And once again, that is an additional charge as well. Now we're going to head down here. And this is where the bathrooms are, and there's some changing rooms as well. Very beautiful down here, very lush and green. If you come back up here and you turn this way, it will take you back right around to the pool area. Look at how beautiful that is. So green here. Once again, this is where you come in. Over there, they walk you around here. There is the bar over there. And we're back at the pool area. See, these are reserved for people, as I mentioned. If you pre-purchase these, they'll have your name on them waiting for you. So I think this is one of the largest pools, if not the largest pool, in Cozumel, and it is heated. So you can't go wrong. The only downside, there is not a swim-up bar at this pool, but you don't need a swim-up bar. The staff is so attentive to your needs. I mean, they keep the drinks flowing, and you're never without a drink. So I'm gonna go jump in the pool and enjoy my day here, but I just want to give you a quick little tour before we got started.
Okay, everybody, we're checking in here from Paradise Beach Club. We're enjoying a few beers. By the way, if you've ever been here before, for safety, no more 40-ounce bottles. They're just doing the cans, so keep that in mind. And today we've got Tomas here. Tomas has taken great care of us. He got us to our favorite seats. He's been nothing but awesome. The beers have been flowing. We're gonna get some food later and everything, so great service. Thank you, man. You're making a great experience for us. Take care of your servers when you come here too, and they'll take care of you. That's how it works. It is mid-afternoon, an amazing day. We're having a great time. Sharon, are you having a good time?
We are. I love Paradise Beach. It's so relaxing here.
Our service has been fantastic. Tomas, thank you very much. You and your partner, Efrain, are doing a great job. We just got, well, the drinks have been flowing. I'm not gonna lie to you. You guys know that already. But the food is here. Take a look. We got some coconut shrimp, and yes, I already ate one. I got some mahi-mahi, right? Very healthy. Just some mahi-mahi with some fries on the side. We got a coconut shrimp over here. I got a hamburguesa con queso right here. And of course, we've got a bucket of cold beer. Sharon's enjoying. What are you enjoying, Sharon?
Mango margarita, and I had a Hawaiian pizza. I know that's weird for Cozumel, but I had a Hawaiian pizza. And
oh my God, was it good?
It was very good, and Matthew had 2 pepperoni pizzas.
Oh my God, 2 pepperoni pizzas. Anything else you guys ate? Anything you want to talk about? The birds here?
Wow, another great, successful trip here. Great.
I had some tacos. It's delicious.
Really?
Yes.
Excellent. It has been an amazing day here at Paradise Beach Club. A cool breeze, the sun beating down on us, clear blue skies. It's unbelievable.
Yeah.
And our service has been how good?
It has been awesome. Couldn't ask for better service.
Has the service been, would you say that the service has been off the chisel?
I would say.
Okay,
I would
perfect.
say that. Yeah.
Perfect. It has been great. We got a great spot here. Take a look at us right here. We're here in the pool. You got the palm trees surrounding the pool. I mean, it's just fabulous. We've got friends with us here. Look at that. Matt and Reggie are in the house. It's unbelievable. I'm sorry, Gina is here with Matt. And it's just been a great day. We're having a great time. Tomas, Efrain, great service. It's been fabulous. So that's a quick update from here. Cheers from us. We're gonna get back to the port later. We're gonna do a little shopping. We may have to stop at, what do they call that, Sharon? A pharmacia?
Oh, yes.
The pharmacia, and we're gonna stop and load up there too. And it's okay to do that. It's totally legal. It's not a problem.
A lot of people do that in Cozumel. If you want antibiotics or things like that, you can get them at the pharmacy. Sometimes it just saves you know, going to the doctor when you have some minor little something that you need an antibiotic for.
Exactly.
But, but don't just buy anything. Make sure you know what you're buying if you're buying something and you're using it for the right thing. Don't just buy any because all antibiotics do not work for all ailments. So
good job, Sharon.
Remember
good job. That's like the waiver. That's a clause. You know, we don't want to get in trouble. Just know what you're buying before you buy it and use it. That's all we're saying. Sharon, amazing day.
It was.
Couldn't be better.
We're just gonna hang out here and enjoy the rest of the day.
That's right.
And then we will head back to the ship. We'll take a taxi back to the ship. And
can we make one more stop at Three Amigos just to have a cold Corona and remember some of the great days where we can sing out loud?
That's not one of those days.
Maybe we can do some Bon Jovi. Whoa, we're halfway. No, we can't do that? Okay.